Hey guys, thanks for stopping by Casks-n-Que, where whiskey and barbecue meet. I'm your host, Justin Lloyd, and today I'm going to show you how I made this amazing, succulent, bourbon butter glazed duck breast on the grill, and it's all coming up right now. Oftentimes people don't like wild game, especially duck, because they feel it's too gamey. Well, most of the time it's because it's overcooked. A duck breast should never be overcooked. It needs to be served medium rare, almost like a really good steak. It's lean, packed full of flavor, so let's get started. Okay, let's go ahead and get the Blaze Kamado fired up. If you've been here before, you know I love to use my buddies over at Burn Fire Starter Company. Comes in a great package, great product, no weird chemicals, and easy to use. These come in a nice little pouch, little wood pellets in there, so all you gotta do is light the corner at the bottom and you're ready to go. All right, let's get some royal oak lump charcoal in our chimney. We have made fire. We already have some coals in here, as you can see, and a piece of cherry wood from our last cook. Let's get our grill grate back on and let that heat do its thing. Here's what you need. Some duck breasts, harvested in Arkansas, courtesy of my good friend Neil Webb. And a seasoning of your choice. We're going, of course, with our very own Casks-n-Que GPS rub, available in our Etsy store, linked in the description below. Wiki. Yum. A cooking vessel of sorts. A spoon. And a stick of butter. Don't be a psychopath. Clean your grill grates. Ew. Don't mind if I do. Had a bit of an audio issue at this part, but right here we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 wild duck breasts harvested right here in Arkansas. We're going to hit it with our GPS seasoning. We want to make sure we cover both sides, pat it in. There we go, flippy, flippy, flippy. That GPS really adds another dimension of flavor. You got salt, pepper, onion, garlic, paprika, and a few other little things that I'm not going to tell you about today. Let's go ahead and get those duck breasts on this grill. We're running about 425 degrees. All right, it's been about a minute, so let's just rotate. Again, this is not going to take long. Time to flip again. Remember, don't overdo this. Heck, I might be overdoing it. I don't know. We'll find out. There we go. 2 more minutes. Rotate. One more minute. Take them off. I got a clean bowl over here. I'm just going to put them in that for the time being and let them rest. Telling you, flies are killing me. All right, stick of butter. Just dump it in there. Some kind of whiskey. Don't buy anything too fancy. A little more GPS rub. One thing I forgot to mention earlier was you need a teaspoon of brown sugar. Just helps thicken up the glaze. There we go. Let's get that on the smoker. All right, a couple minutes have gone by. Let's take a look. Yeah, we're getting a good simmer there. You can kind of see how it's starting to change color. We're getting those bubbles. It's getting a little thicker. That's good. Just keep on playing the waiting game. Let some of that brown sugar dissolve and make sure that all those flavors get nice and incorporated. Okay, I believe our glaze is where we want it. It's got a real pretty color, so let's drop those duck breasts in here. There we go. And now make sure you have a mitt, an oven mitt. We want to take that glaze and just spoon it over the duck. Even with this mitt on, I can feel the heat. So be very careful. Man, that smells amazing. Rich, packed full of flavor. Salt, pepper, onion, garlic. Man, this is going to be really good. The sweetness from the brown sugar is coming through. Let's go ahead and flip those guys over. Get your spoon. Hit them with that glaze. Man, this is going to be so good. I can't wait. I may even put some of this glaze over the slices. All right. 113, 115, 127. That one's done. 127, 132. That's done. So we just have that one that's not done yet. So that's okay. We're just going to let those up. That one keep cooking. This one right here, and take these others off. Let them rest for a little bit. This one is the thickest breast, so let's keep going. I think what I'm going to do is cover this and let some more heat surround that whole breast, and then see where we are. Let's see where we are. There we go. That ought to do it. Oh, that's gonna hurt. Man, this looks amazing. Let's go ahead and get some slicey slices going here. Against the grain and thin, that's what we're looking for. A reminder, these are very small. Let's take a look at this slice here. Now, take a look at this slice. Very juicy, medium rare. So let's try it and see how we did. Here we go. Oh, man. It needs cracked black pepper. Hang on. We can fix that with this trusty little device. Okay, one more pepper. Yeah. Man, that's tender, rich, peppery. And that bourbon and butter comes through. Yeah, I mean, look at that. Tender, it's a beautiful cut, juicy. So easy to do, so simple. Just do it, just try it. If you're a hunter, if somebody gives you duck, go buy duck and do it. Just try it, you're gonna love it. Hey, if you don't mind, go ahead and like, subscribe, and smash that bell. It don't cost nothing, and it helps me out a lot. Well, the channel, me, the channel. Anyway, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you next time.